Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add any network to MetaMask wallet. So I will start from the beginning. Open your Chrome web browser and you want to log in to your MetaMask wallet. I'll type in my password. Now this is a brand new wallet, never used and never will be used. Now to add a new network, you want to go to the top left corner, press it and select add network. Now this will open up a new page. Now you have bunch of available networks already here, but in this video I will show you how to add a network that's not on the list. So for example, if you want to add Avalanche network, you will just press add. Here is all the information about the network and then you just press approve. But now I will also show you how to manually add a network that's not here. So you will press add a network manually, and now you will have to find out the network name, RPC, chain ID, and things like that. And to get that information, you want to go to a website called rpc.info. And here you can find the information about all of the chains. So for this video, let's choose one here. Okay, we can do this one, Qcoin chain. Okay, it's right here, and here you can get all the information, right? So I want to type in all from here to that form, network name, RPC URL. This is this one. Chain ID 3321. KCS. And this is optional, but you can also add it here. And that should be it. And now press save. And that's it. Right now I'm at this chain and I can switch between chains just easily here. So this is my main chain Ethereum, and I can switch between the chains. And if you want to add a new network, you can do it that same way. I will even show you if you add one from the list, just press add and approve. And that's it. Now it's gonna be here, right? It's very easy to do. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel.